to make Waze app talk. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Waze application talk or how to enable voice on Waze application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Waze application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Here at the top left, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines to access the new page. And in this new page, tap on the settings option just below inbox. Once you tap on settings, you will be taken to a new page. Now from here, tap on this voice and sound option. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Here make sure the sound is turned on. You can choose between alerts only or on depending on your preference. Here just below it you will find Waze voice option. Tap on this Waze voice to see a list of available voices. Here you may also tap on this plus icon at the right side to add your own voice. Now from this list, select your preferred voice. You can choose from different languages and voice styles. Once you have found the one that you would like to set the voice, then tap on it to select it. A green dot will appear to indicate your selection. Now come back and let's test the voice. Let's start navigating to a destination to test if the voice guidance is working or not. Here tap on the search icon at the bottom from the home page and here select a destination. After selecting the destination, tap on this Go Now option and now you will find the voice guidance.
You know what this car needs? One of those little fishing rods with a fake mouse attached to it
So in this way you can make Waze app talk and provide voice guided navigation. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.